Alright, welcome back, and we've come to the conclusion of this bootcamp. I'll be teaching you, or talking to you rather, about Python programming language. This is a very unique programming language. It is often used as a support language for software developers, build control, management, software testing, and in many other ways, even web development. Today, Python is popular for its unique relevance in machine learning and artificial intelligence, in data science, in software development, even web server-side development, and of course, game development. You see, Python is a very, very cool programming language that you might want to pick up as a beginner in programming, especially. It's not that and when I say as a beginner, I know what I'm saying, and I'm going to explain to you, because you see, Python is very easy to understand, and in fact that is the major reason why it was created. It was created in the early 1990s and it was released then, and now it's one of the top programming languages used by developers around the world. Why you should choose Python is because it works on different platforms: Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, and different operating systems you can think about. It's a very cool programming language you can pick up. It is very popular also for its simple syntax, which is similar to that of English language. As I said before, this is one of the major reasons why Python was created, for its readability and that easy to understand kind of approach. It's very similar to English language, and with some influence from mathematics. The syntax is also made in a way that code can be written with fewer lines. So you see, what you need to write a code that requires about 20 lines in a normal programming language will just require about 5 or to 7 lines in Python. It's very cool, and not just that, it's even easy to understand, something you can relate with. And again, it runs on an interpreter system. What I mean by this is that code executes as soon as it is written. This gives a possibility for prototyping in software development, which is a very cool feature. You see, you can use Python for various things, as I said before, and it's a very good programming language you can explore. It is popular again for its versatility. You can use it for different things. You can see I was mentioning game development, software development, web development, as many things you can think of, even motion graphics, different digital skills now that people do. Python programming language is just at the top of the list. It can also be treated in a procedural way, in an object-oriented way, and in a functional way. Most programming languages, not all programming languages, can have this 3-in-1 feature. Some just have like 2 or 1 of them. What Python is like an all-rounder programming language, and it's very cool for you to pick it up for your child. The current version of Python today is 3.9. You can also use Python 2.5 versions, 3.0, and those versions, but it's very cool, and the most used now is Python 3.0 to 3.9, depending on the version of the operating system you're using. Now, as I said before, it's designed for readability. English language, almost the same as English language, influenced from mathematics. Python is a very cool programming language. In fact, in the field of robotics now, Python is a top programming language that is used in that aspect, and in computer science, in data science, and even in data analytics. Now, that's for Python. You see, as easy as Python can be, there are still some people who might find learning this programming language a little bit difficult, though it's very easy. But learning it can also be kind of difficult for some people. But you do not need to worry, because that is the major reason why we are actually having you here. That's the major reason why I've come to introduce this application, the Python Master application, which helps you understand Python in a very easy way, in a much more easier way, in the way you can comprehend, in the way you can relate to it. It's a very interactive application. It is developed by the Insight Limited. They develop other applications just like this. Python Master is at least one the top of the list in one of their applications. It teaches you to code, especially Python particularly. It teaches you to understand Python in a very easy way and comprehensive way. So this is this application. It's a very self-learning application. You can understand it all just by yourself, because it's very interactive and it's very fun to learn with. Okay, you can become a real-time programmer with Python Master. You can become even a pro in Python just with this application. It's so cool. What people pay so much money for, you just have it at your fingertip. Python Master. I really love this app. I've used it, I've explored it, and it's really cool. You can see it here. You can see it we have right here. This is it. This is the application. This is what it looks like. Python Master is cool to explore. You just need your mobile phone and you've got Python at your fingertips. It's very cool, interactive with it gives you this kind of feel of this kind of educational feel that you're learning this programming language, and it's completely free. That's one cool thing about this application. The application is free. You don't need to pay any money. You don't need to buy any product. You don't need to, it's just free. Offline. It's not online. It's free. Comprehensive, and it's cool. So comprehensive explanations with real code illustrations. As I said earlier on, the explanations are short, comprehensive, easy to understand, and we have real code illustrations that you can practice. Of course, you have to practice it. Now, that's it. And also, in this application, we have quizzes and gradings for self-evaluation. You'll be able to, grade yourself to see how you are progressing while you are learning this cool and programming language. Also, this application has 55 step-by-step Python lessons all in one application. And also, that's not just it. It has great user experience, interactive, it's cool, nice user interface, nice user experience. You'll be able to, you can even take the quizzes again. You can, redo the lessons again over and over again, and you just have it just on your mobile phone, all in one app. You can see it has nice user interface. You can see the user interface. It's so cool. You can see some different tabs on it. You can scale through tabs, and you can use this app just how you want it. Okay, so this is it. This is you can see the application, what it looks like. Python Master. Just go check it out. It has a nice user interface. It's cool. It's user friendly, and you should try it out. Okay, so this application, I know there are a lot more applications like this, but you should use Python Master because it's trusted by so many people. On the Google Play Store, it has 4.6 rating. It's trusted by many. You can see the reviews of people, good, awesome reviews. People have tried out this application, even me myself, and I am giving my own review. This application is awesome. You do not want to skip it. Believe me, if you apply yourself to this application, you are going to get the best of it, and you are going to come back and thank me. This application is cool. You should try it out. It's interactive. it's educational, and it's free. That's just one cool thing about it. It's very free. So if you want to go download it, it's on Google Play Store, and it's on the App Store for iPhone users. Just go to Google Play Store, search for Python Master. That's the first thing that's going to come up. Python Master. You see it just like this, and try it out. When you try it out, you can rate it 5-star, and believe me, you are going to be a pro in Python. So enjoy this application, and we have come to the conclusion of this bootcamp. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Click on the subscribe button below. That's it. Hope you enjoyed the previous sessions of this training. Hoping that you apply yourself to whatever you learned and use it for good. So see you next time we see. Subscribe. Thank you very much.